Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to pair your Garmin Forerunner 55 with your phone. First, make sure your Forerunner 55 is fully charged and powered on. Next, download and install the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone from your app store. Keep your phone and watch close, ideally within a few feet, to ensure a smooth connection process. This initial setup is crucial for a successful pairing. Now, let's get your watch ready for pairing. On your Forerunner 55, press and hold the up button to open the main menu. Scroll down using the down button until you find Phone, then select it. From there, choose Pair Phone. Your watch will then display a message indicating it's actively searching for a device to connect with. This puts your watch in discovery mode. With your watch in pairing mode, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Tap the More icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or dots, and select Garmin Devices. Then, choose Add Device and select the Forerunner 55 from the list. The app will prompt you to enter the unique 6-digit pairing code displayed on your watch screen. Enter this code carefully to establish the connection. Once you've entered the code, both your watch and phone will confirm the successful connection, and your data will begin to sync. If you encounter any issues, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and try restarting both devices. Also, it's a good idea to check for any available software updates for your watch and the Garmin Connect app to ensure optimal performance and connectivity. Happy tracking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.